how to add song in WhatsApp status. So if you want to add a song in WhatsApp status, then first open up your WhatsApp application. And once you're here on the WhatsApp, you can go for updates, which is on the bottom left. And then you can tap on my status, and then you can add your story, right? Or you can add your status. So if you want to add a song in your WhatsApp status, then it's not available in WhatsApp. Then what you need to do is open up your Instagram application. And then go for the plus, which is on the bottom middle, and then simply choose anything. Go for the music, which is on the upper side, and then you can choose any music that you would like to add. And once it's saved, you need to simply remove your Instagram. And then you need to go for the WhatsApp updates and tap on my status. And you can simply choose the video which you have just saved. You can go for uploads, which is here on the left, and then you can choose the video that you have just saved. And once you've chosen the video, you can add that video to your WhatsApp status, which has that music. So in that way, you can add a song in WhatsApp status, because instead of that, you don't have any option to add a music in your WhatsApp status. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.